Everyone talks about the Camry and Accord, but what if the real sedan gems were hiding in plain sight? Two rivals quietly mastering style, comfort and value, yet most people overlook them. Today, Nissan Altima versus Mazda6. One promises confidence, the other pure emotion. Which sedan truly deserves your driveway? This is a showdown between quiet precision and spirited performance, proving you don't need a premium badge to feel premium. For years, these two have lived in the shadows of bigger names. The Altima, Nissan's steady commuter hero. The Mazda6, a driver's secret pleasure. Maybe you grew up riding in one. Maybe you never gave them a second glance. But in their latest forms, both return sharper, smarter, and surprisingly sophisticated. They've evolved from being just sensible alternatives to being genuinely desirable contenders in their own right, each bringing a unique flavor to the mid-size sedan market. It's time to give them the spotlight they've earned. From the first glance, they tell two different stories. The Altima's V-motion grille and sculpted hood scream confidence and modern corporate polish. Its sharp lines and assertive stance project a sense of capability and technological advancement. It's a design that says, I'm here to get the job done efficiently and look good doing it. The Mazda6, on the other hand, is all about sleek, flowing and emotional design, Mazda's Kodo design language at its finest. Every curve feels deliberate. Every reflection is crafted to mimic the tension of an animal ready to pounce. It's less about sharp angles and more about organic, muscular beauty. The Altima looks like a smart choice. The Mazda6 looks like a statement. But looks can deceive because under those curves lie two completely different driving philosophies. Nissan's 2.5-liter engine delivers smooth, adequate power for city cruising and highway merging, making daily driving an effortless affair. For those wanting more, the available VC Turbo adds a surprising punch, transforming the Altima into a genuinely quick sedan when you put your foot down. It's a versatile setup designed for broad appeal. Mazda6 counters with its 2.5-liter SkyActiv G engine, which feels responsive, refined, and tuned for joy. It loves to rev, delivering its power in a linear, predictable way that encourages spirited driving. The optional turbo version adds a healthy dose of torque that makes acceleration feel muscular and satisfying. Where the Altima's available all-wheel drive system brings confidence in rain or snow, the Mazda6's chassis delivers pure driver connection. It communicates what the road is doing directly to your fingertips. One is the rational, all-weather commuter. The other is the enthusiast's secret, but power isn't everything. Comfort is where daily life truly happens. Step inside, and both surprise you. The Altima's cabin feels tech-forward and functional. You get a clear digital display, Nissan's famous zero-gravity seats that make long commutes feel shorter, and a quiet highway ride that insulates you from the outside world. It's a well-thought-out, comfortable and practical space. The Mazda6 feels boutique by comparison. The cabin is filled with soft-touch materials, a driver-focused layout that wraps around you, and a luxury vibe that rivals brands costing twice the price. The attention to detail in the stitching, the feel of the switchgear, it all speaks to a level of craftsmanship that's rare in this class. Both sedans balance function and form, but Mazda's craftsmanship absolutely steals the spotlight. Still, a car's true worth isn't T just in the leather. It's in how smart it drives. Nissan Safety Shield 360 comes standard on most trims, covering every corner with features like lane assist, blind spot warning, and automatic emergency braking. It's a comprehensive suite that inspires confidence. Mazda's i-Activsense system is equally robust, adding radar cruise control and driver attention alerts, but its interventions often feel a little smoother and less intrusive. Both offer Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. However, the Altima's available ProPILOT assist is a standout feature, making long highway trips effortless by managing steering, acceleration, and braking in single-lane traffic. Mazda counters with a philosophy of clean simplicity. Its infotainment system is controlled by a rotary knob designed to minimize digital distraction and keep your focus on the road. But beyond screens and sensors, real value appears when you start calculating ownership. The Altima generally starts at a slightly lower price point, around $27,000 for a well-equipped model, and sips fuel efficiently, averaging about 32 miles per gallon combined. The Mazda6 is often a touch pricier from the start, but it consistently holds better resale value and boasts excellent reliability ratings year after year. Nissan offers the practicality of a huge dealer network and accessible maintenance. Mazda gives you a more premium ownership experience, a sense of emotional satisfaction, and the peace of mind that comes with long-term quality. After 5 years, maintenance costs stay pretty close, but strong resale value often tips the long-term financial equation slightly in the Mazda's favor. So, after all that, which one really wins? You'd think one clearly dominates, but the surprise is they both win for different drivers. The final verdict is this: the Nissan Altima is the steady professional, quiet, capable, and confident. It's the logical choice for someone who values technology, comfort, and all-weather security. It's the car that makes your daily life easier without asking for anything in return. The Mazda6 is the passionate artist, elegant, expressive, and emotional. It is the choice for the driver who believes a commute can be more than just a task. It's a car that wins with heart, style, and an unmatched connection to the road. One wins with logic, the other wins with heart. Which one fits your style? The pragmatic Altima or the soulful Mazda6? Drop your pick in the comments below. Subscribe for more head-to-head comparisons, and remember to check out Motor Verdict, where every car meets its final verdict. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.